Many people can't solve this math problem, but here we'll be solving this with two different methods. For the first method, we're using the standard logarithm. We'll be taking the logarithm of both sides. Therefore, here we have log of t to the power of t, and then we have log of 5 to the power of 50. And then according to the law of logarithm, t comes behind. Therefore, we have t log t to be equals 50 log 5. And then after doing that, we'll go ahead to simplify this. We write t log t to be equal. We can rewrite 50 as 2 times 25 and that log 5. Also, we can go ahead to rewrite as 25 times 2 log 5. And we can include this in a bracket. And this equals t log of t. And then we know from the law of logarithm that a log b is the same thing as saying log of b to the power of a. That means that we can take 2 to the power, and therefore we're going to have log of 5 squared, and that equals t log of t. And then we'll go further to simplify this, which leaves us with t log t to be equal 25, and the log of 5 squared gives us 25. And then when we compare these two sides of the equation, we can therefore deduce that t equals 25. And now that's using the standard logarithm method. Now for the second method, we're going to be using a very fast track. So we have t to the power of t equals 5 to the power of 50. And guys, if you make it this far, don't forget to subscribe for more of my videos so as to join the Atomos Math community. The smart move here will be to rewrite 50 as 2 times 25, right? Then we have t to the power of t to be equal, and now we can just put a bracket here. Then 5 squared gives us 25. Therefore, we have 25 all to the power of 25. And you can see that in just 2 steps, we can deduce therefore that t equals 25. Let me know in the comment section which of the method you prefer, the logarithm way or the smart way. Have a good day.